Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the data layout, single lookup column and a separate return column. Select the exact lookup cell, for example A2, and name or note the ranges. Next, pick your return array for index and the lookup array for match. They must be the same height. Once done, you are ready to write the formula. Start typing equals index, then reference the return range, followed by a comma to prepare for match. Don't skip match type. You continue by inserting match into index. After the return range, type match and point to your lookup cell, then the lookup range, and type 0 for exact matches. Make sure match yields a relative row number that index can use. If your return range starts at row 5, match must match that alignment. Once done, close the parentheses for index. If you will copy the formula across cells, fix ranges with $ to prevent accidental shifts. You finish by hitting enter and verifying the result matches expectations. If you see hash and /a, check that the lookup value exists and that lookup/return ranges align and share the same data type. Numeric text mismatches cause failures. Once done, wrap the formula in IFR to present friendly text, for example IFR, your formula, not found. If things go wrong, re-evaluate range anchors and remove stray spaces with trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.